ఇంకా నా వయసు నిండా 16 చీటికి మాటికి చెయ్యేస్తూ చుట్టూ కుర్రాళ్ళే నాకెవ్వరు నచ్చట్లే. ఎనీవేస్ సో పోకిరి నుంచి తన జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఇంకా దానికన్నా ముందు కూడా చాలా మూవీస్ చేశారు. సో అక్కడ నుంచి తన జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి నౌ షీ ఈస్ లైక్ బిజినెస్ ఆంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్ and I'm happy to see her like this, a fighter and gorgeous, ఒక trend setter anamata Mumaid Khan.
I love you, Joe. I love her. She's so pure.
ఇంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఇంత ఇది చేస్తూ మనందరం డెఫినెట్ గా సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి, అప్రిషియేట్ చేయాలి. అండ్ ఆల్ ద ప్యాషన్, బ్యూటీ ప్యాషన్ లవర్స్, బ్యూటీకి సంబంధించిన ఏదైనా కోర్స్ ఇక్కడ చేయబడుతుంది. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ డూ గెట్ ఎన్రోల్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ మీ ప్యాషన్ ని ఎన్హాన్స్ చేసుకోండి, మీ ప్యాషన్ ని ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేసుకోండి with all these certified courses anamata. So here you go.
Andarki namaskaram. Thank you so much everyone. I love you guys for coming today, sharing this dream what I've been dreaming from last 7-8 years.
Oh, she has put her heart and soul in this.
Yes, and accident aipoyin tarvata, I guess after break, this is it. Like idi, I'll say it, this is my final exam. We go alone in the school.
No, this is not the final. Inka chala undi. So much more yet to come.
So I personally feel this is my final exam. From whatever after the break, either this is gonna make me or either this is gonna break me. So dan kosame I gave my 100% from last 17 months nunchi homework chestune unnanu to make this brand and this platform the best. అందుకే నా సర్టిఫికేట్లో ISO, QAA and IAF already under process for NSDC skill development certificate. I'm working on that. So I want to give the best platform for any student. I don't want to make them fool. I don't want to lie to them, and I don't want to make that the certificate with we like name and oh you have learned. No. I want to give them the best. Wherever they go, they should just get the job. I'm going to teach them how to do a business, how they can take care of their business, what they should do, what they should take care of, everything. Because I have gone through it. This break, this 17 months, my homework, I really want to now give it back to people. I want to give this knowledge back. How would you take care of yourself if something happens? What next? So the only thing is you need to be very passionate about what you love the most. If you think you're the best, please come join Be Like Academy. I can't wait to see you guys, and I really want you all to enroll it soon. Whoever has the passion, they can definitely come and they can definitely learn. Just for them also, I am actually on a talking terms with some few banks, and once I launch, like today when I launched it, and now things have started, so definitely I'll be working for students' loans also. Okay, makeup, hair, outfit, all of that, నాకు నిజంగా చాలా ఇష్టం. So that's why, and I'm a creative person. So because I'm a creative person, I thought I need to give something back. And అందుకే హైదరాబాద్ కి ఇచ్చారు. Because I don't want it to give back, go back to Mumbai. I didn't want it to because కానీ నేను 18 years కి ఉన్నాను ఆ టైం కి హైదరాబాద్ కి వచ్చారు. My first song on Swami movie with Sri Kalyan Garu. I have done a song. So from that time, I should say my age or I don't know, but I'm very proud that I'll be 40 this year. So this time, I definitely want to give back what I earned from Hyderabad. That is the reason why I want to just open this and give my best, 100%.
Are you planning any other branches also?
No love, I want everybody to die and come here in Hyderabad. I want to make a good brand, like wherever it is, okay, oh it's in We Like, where is We Like? Hyderabad.
Okay. So many people like they start it and they won't be stay here and they won't teach. They will be only for naam ke vas. How you will
Yes, I will personally, whenever the classes are gonna start, I'll make sure personally I'll be giving the mentoring also. Okay. I will talk the facts. I will talk the truth. I will tell them, beta, this is good, this is not good. No, you have to upgrade yourself. I will be blunted on the face.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Definitely.
Thank you. There is an expansion plan, but నిజంగా చెప్తాను ఓన్లీ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ కావాలి తర్వాత దుబాయ్లో anywhere else no. I want people to come here only. Nowhere else. No franchise. I know you want franchise 10,000 place, but it is exclusive only for our people.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you.
We are here to give you a best professional knowledge. So thank you so much guys for coming and yeah. Thank you.